Hi, it's Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles with a spectacular case on a circumferential body lift and medial thigh lift or inner thigh lift on a 44-year-old man who lost over 250 pounds. Think about that. His body was a disaster afterwards, unfortunately. Even though he was much healthier, he had such wrinkling of his skin and such massive folds of skin. It was really embarrassing for him. And fortunately, we did just the right procedures to solve his problems. We did a circumferential body lift all the way around his waist, eliminating all the upper body excess skin as well as lower body excess skin. But his inner thighs had such severe laxity that we did an inner thigh lift that extended from the pubic region all the way down to the knees. And I followed an oblique line. Let's check out these results together to see how we set this up so you can kind of understand some of the details that can make an extraordinary result on a very difficult patient. On the frontal view comparison, you can see the problems. He's got a lot of muscle from carrying around an extra 250 pounds in those legs. That's very helpful to him. But look at the skin cascading down on the inner thighs. Those oblique lines are really difficult because you can't make a vertical incision straight up or a horizontal incision to solve the problem. You need to follow those lines because he has, probably 8 or 9 inches of excess skin on each inner thigh. And then if you look at his pubic region, his genitalia is actually completely covered by his underwear, but he has multiple folds of skin covering that area, both functionally and aesthetically. That's really embarrassing for men and women to be in that situation. And importantly, I'm so thrilled, I got rid of every single wrinkle on his thighs. It's ridiculous. This guy's got 1,000 wrinkles on his abdomen, pubic area, and inner thighs before. He's got 0 afterwards. That is what I would call a success. You could tell I'm excited about this and happy for this guy. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. If you are interested in surgery after weight loss, whether it be tummy tucks, thigh lifts, circumferential body lifts, you've got to check out our website, drstoker.com. We've got over 10,000 beautiful before and after pictures on there for you to review. Also check us out on social media. We're active on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And on our YouTube channel, we have almost 1,200 videos so far. Make sure you send us your contact information with your email or your cell phone, or simply email us directly at info@drstoker.com. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles.